Brand new, with Platform version 2026, Eplan will be providing a simplified offering for its basic software systems. Eplan Electric P8, Pro Panel, and PrePlanning will all be getting new functionality. Let's take a look at what these are. Starting with Eplan Electric P8, we have new expansion stages. Now we have Basic, Advanced, Pro, and Premium. And let's take a look at what each one has to offer. Eplan Electric P8 Basic. Now we'll have access to the Eplan Data Portal. We'll have access to the parts management in the cloud, eStock, the data management in the cloud, eManage, project view in the cloud, eView, single line and multi-line schematics, and fluid power engineering. This includes pneumatics, hydraulics, cooling, and lubrication to do everything you need for your fluid power engineering design. And then it's added to 2D mounting layout, overview reports, and because it's the basic expansion, we have a limitation to 40 pages. Then we have Eplan Electric P8 Advanced. It contains everything that the basic has to offer, and it also has the planning for PLC control systems, net-based connections, and ERP integration suites. This allows the user to synchronize parts information between their favorite ERP system and the Eplan platform. Then we have Eplan Electric P8 Pro that has everything, of course, the Advanced has, plus automatic project generation, such as eBuild. So now the user can generate his projects automatically using the configurator eBuild in the cloud. Revision management, project management, change of standard, multi-language translation, multi-user operations and monitor, project options, project verification, rights management, and field sys to do cable length calculations in 2D. All of that is now included in Eplan Electric P8 Pro. And then we have Eplan P8 Premium, which has everything the Pro version has. In addition, it has the Eplan ERP PLM integration. That means that not only you can synchronize your parts, but you can also connect to your favorite PLM system. And the Eplan API extension to be able to develop your own APIs. So there you have it. For Eplan Electric P8, all of these functions have now been added to the various different expansion stages. Let's take a look at Pro Panel. Eplan Pro Panel now has, of course, electric schematic creation, multi-line and single-line connections, PLC control system planning, 2D as well as 3D mounting layout, 3D copper layouts, 3D routing connections, exported interfaces to smart production, parts management in the cloud such as eStock, project view in the cloud such as eView, and data management such as eManage. All of this is included inside of Eplan Pro Panel. So really cool amount of functionality now available for the users of Eplan Pro Panel. And then we have PrePlanning. And PrePlanning now also includes single line connections. So if you need to plan your system and plan all of your distribution systems, using PrePlanning, you can create your single line diagrams to do just that. Parts management, eStock in the cloud, project viewer in the cloud, eView, data management in the cloud, eManage. Also included is PLC control systems, net-based connections, of course the P&I diagrams, revision and project management, change of standards, rights management, ERP integration. So all of this is now included with Eplan PrePlanning. So there you have it. The brand new simplified offering of Eplan really provides all of the functionality for the users necessary for them to do their job right the first time. So enjoy with version 2026, the new simplified offering of Eplan.